Tenses, present perfect. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Complete the sentence. He finished his work already. Answer. He has finished his work already. Choose the correct form. They eat dinner. Answer. They have eaten dinner. Fill in the blank. We visit Paris twice. Answer. We have visited Paris twice. Rewrite the sentence using present perfect. I complete my project. Answer. I have completed my project. Correct the sentence. She has went to the store. Answer. She has gone to the store. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.